Y'all had to break out the Bulls jersey for what I'm about to unbox for you guys right now. What's up, everybody? It's your girl TJ here, back with another video. Talks with TJ, aka TJ Two Swoosh Chains. One woman's hiding kind of under there. So I do have on a hoodie. The weather dropped where I live, but I'm not upset about it. I hate all the rain, but I'm not upset about the weather dropping. I'm actually not a huge fan of warm weather. I'm just gonna be 100% honest with you. But thank you for tuning into this video. You already know if you are subscribed. Love it, appreciate it. I am on that road to 10K, and I thank all of you that watch the videos, like, comment, subscribe, all of that. If you're brand new, I have no idea how you got here. If I showed up and you're recommended, awesome. That means I am actually gaining some traction and doing a little bit better. And if you like what you see, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Be sure to comment if you got anything to say. And you can hit that thumbs up if you like the video. If you don't like it, guess what? You can't please everybody, and you're gonna find out in life you can't please most people. So please do not stress yourself trying. It's the biggest wasted headache in the world, all right? So you guys have seen that I've kind of broken into the Funko Pop world a little bit. My first one was a Morty. It was the kind of the sentient arm. And then I got Clay Bay Thompson. That is his actual name from me, Clay Bay Thompson, okay? And so now we have this bad boy right here. Now, this was hard to get. Like, I didn't understand the work, the stress and the frustration of trying to get Funkos on certain releases, especially like really high demand Funkos. You're going through the same ish that you go through with sneakers. I was not prepared. So you guys can probably guess based on what I'm about to tell you, but you know, I'm on Fanatics website on this release day. Mind you, I'm like, thankfully I was done driving at the moment, but I am trying to check out with this Funko and try to get one added to the cart. Nothing would work. I'm trying different I'm trying different tabs, different everything. It is just not working. I had already tried on desktop. Now I'm trying on my phone because I did have somewhere that I needed to go. Man, finally get 3 in my cart. I didn't realize it was 3, kind of only wanted 2. When you try to update the cart, wasn't even able to do that. And I missed out. So, you know what? Shout out to the man himself, Drama the Manager. I will go ahead and make sure I link his Instagram below, because if you are looking for kicks as well, kicks, Funko, Supreme, drops, things like that, kind of one of the, kind of definitely a good dude to go to if you're looking for that. So he hooked me up because he was able to secure these. I had to hit the man up. I'm like, please, is it possible? Is it possible to assist your girl in getting this? So he hooked it up 100%, no doubt. Appreciate him so much. And he did an amazing job on the packaging. Like, he made sure this bad boy was done right. Little MJ. We're not matching. I don't have a black MJ jersey. I have a white one and I have a red one. All right, I don't have black yet. But look at MJ. I got him. So the Fanatics, exclusive, Fanatics exclusive Funko in the black Chicago jersey. He's got the Concords on. You cannot go wrong. So you guys can see him from the side there. Then we got on the back, which I'm sure you guys have seen so many of these. But I'm just still gonna show you my little guy that I got in. So there he is again. So number 55, the Jordan exclusive Pop. I'm excited to be able to have this. Now, I know a lot of you thought this would be my first Funko. You think if you're gonna, break into Funkos and you're really into sneakers, wouldn't MJ be the first one you would go with? You would think that. Excuse me, you would think that. But I just thought that the little Morty was just way too cute, and everybody knows me as somebody that's like a strong arm, strong person, so I just thought that was really, really cool in terms of my personality and who I am perceived as. And then Clay is Bay, so you guys need to understand this. And it's playoff time, so I had to go ahead and get Clay, and of course now I need Steph, and it's just gonna turn into a whirlwind of problems for me. But I got MJ, super excited to just show you guys this. Now, kind of like Clay, he gonna be in the box. He gonna stay in the box. Clay's in the box for right now. I'm trying to figure out if I want to do a setup of some sort. I don't know, where I would just kind of have my Funkos here somewhere on display with a setup and everything. So we'll see how I choose to do this. But for right now, you guys can just enjoy. You guys can just enjoy the unboxing of my Funko. You see them. You see them. So, hope you guys, enjoy that. Did you go for this Funko? For those of you who actually watch and subscribe to me, you already know that I've asked you guys, hey, are you into Funkos whatsoever? If you're not, that's cool. I think it's interesting sometimes when, especially even when it comes to sneakers or clothing that I may post on this channel, they'll be like, I don't like that. You're probably gonna get a response from me of, okay, laugh out loud, because what would you like me to say? That's an opinion. It's totally subjective. I don't have an answer to that. Okay. Okay. You don't like it. I cannot like something. It is what it is. But I love him, so thank you so much, Drama. Again, you always hold it down. Appreciate you, man. He's a great dude. So go ahead, give that man a follow on Instagram. And, he is always updating his stories, let you guys know if he's got, kicks available. He gets a lot of grade school sizes in too. So, like, ladies, if you had missed out, like, on the Crimson Tint 1, he has some of those sizes available too. So great dude to follow, stays up to date. As soon as he gets things in, you send that payment, he is right at the post office sending stuff out for you. So I couldn't have asked for a better transaction when it comes to just period, just anything period, but definitely with this. So thank you again, Drama. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I'm out with little MJ. I'm out.